arrived here at Koper, Slovenia, and this is exactly what I needed. This is a nice, quiet, medieval seaside town with like an old town that's closed to traffic and all these beautiful stone walkways, and historic homes, and little cafes, and a place for you to just sit down and enjoy whatever kind of coffee you like, cappuccino, whatever it might be. Get some gelato. It's perfect. Just a really perfect little seaside town, medieval town, actually. I guess most of the places here are like 700 years old, but I have really enjoyed doing just exactly what I said. Relaxing and just sitting down at a cafe and people watching and exploring these amazing, unique little side alleys that just go on forever. So yeah, welcome to Koper, Slovenia. Definitely enjoyed this immensely. Yeah, so thanks. So you just get off the boat and you just cross the street and you walk down this street and boom, you are here. Again, no need for any excursions. Don't buy any tours. This is a really nice, easy, relaxing day in a beautiful city, really beautiful.
Baby, if you hold me, then all of this will go away.
So hang out with me for a little bit and I'll take you on a walk through this amazing medieval town. And then later on we're going to climb that tower and I'll show you some views from way up high. You can see the whole town and the water and everything from up there. And this is an amazingly perfect town to have a nice, relaxing, quiet, simple day. So if you're looking for that, this is the video for you. This is a place where you can just really just walk, find a cafe, and just relax and chill. The country of Slovenia only has 47 kilometers of coastline. That's it for the whole country. 29 miles or 47 kilometers. So super important to the country, this little tiny piece of coastline, which makes this city of Koper very strategically important. Not only today for shipping, but even in ancient medieval days, this town was a very important city because it was on the coastline. And anyway, situated directly between Trieste, Italy, and Croatia. And and by the way, you should check out Trieste if you're not already have been there. But I did an amazing video in Trieste. You might want to check that one out. So in many of my videos, you'll notice that I always like to give a couple of days to explore a city or a town or whatnot. But in this particular case, while this town is really a perfect little visit, I mean, you're going to have a really nice visit here. It's definitely just a day trip. The old port here at Koper, it's one day and that's enough. That's all you need. So while it's a perfect day trip, it's a day trip. It isn't 3 days or 2 days here. So, but it's easy. There's no doubt about that. And you're going to enjoy it. And it's very, very nice. So enjoy this walk around the village. And at the tail end of the video, I'm going to take you up the historic tower, which will give you amazing views of the entire city from way up high, and you can see way out into the ocean and whatnot. So hang out, and at the tail end of the video we'll do that tower. If you're too impatient for that, you could just skip ahead and go right to the tower if you want, but I saved that for the end of the video. But anyway, enjoy the walk in this historic town. It's really beautiful. So if this video is inspiring your Koper adventure, it would help me if you'd give this video a like and subscribe, and check out some of my other local adventures in this area, specifically Trieste and Prague and Bratislava. Maybe you're headed up to Salzburg or Budapest, but I've done a video in all these areas and definitely would help you with those adventures. So thanks for hanging out with me. Okay, so join me as we climb this tower and get these amazing views of the city. So if you arrived here by ship, you know, you're right here, right in the old port of the town, the village. You know, it's actually a perfect port for those cruising because you don't have to take a shuttle or anything. You're right here. And this is the old town right here. Just beautiful. And if you can make it up to the top of this tower, you get this view. But I will tell you, if you're afraid of heights or claustrophobic, this tower might be a little bit much for you. I don't know, but I just wanted to give you a tour of Old Town Koper from the view. This is exactly what I needed today. You know, I was looking for like this chill, kind of relaxing day and just, you know, a place where I could just rest a little, you know. And I've been traveling for like a month, you know, just exploring Budapest and Prague and Bratislava and Vienna and Salzburg and all these other cities.